Come on. Come on. Nope. Ah. Good Lord. Got it. All right. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mikey Yourself. This week's video, we're going to review a product that I've seen many times online, and I just, I was interested, but I never really thought about buying it because I wasn't struggling as much as I am today. And what I mean by that is addressing your shift issues, right? Everybody knows on Harley-Davidsons, sooner or later, it becomes hard for some reason to find neutral, right? It's a pain in the butt. Some bikes are much worse than others. I had a 95 Fat Boy that for the life of me, unless that thing was rolling, you could not find neutral on it. The 17 Road Glide, newer bike, and well, I say newer, it's almost 10 years old now, but when I first got it, it never had a problem finding neutral. Now it just seems to slowly be developing. So I don't know if that's with age of the bike or maybe it's age with me. Hell if I know. Anyhow, let's talk about this little part. So this is a shift bracket that is produced by TigersGate. You can find them on Amazon as well as on sickparts.com. So that's CYCparts.com. I'll put those links in the description. So if you're interested, you can jump on and make that purchase. It's very small, it's simple, and it's supposed to bring resolution to the challenges that I'm talking about. So let's cut to the chase, put this thing on, and I'll give you my 2 cents on it, whether I think it does make a difference or if it's just a gimmick. Let's check it out. So here's your kit. Get your bracket, set screw, screw. Set screw is going to go in there, right? And the screw is going to go into your stock or the linkage there, and we'll show that in the installation. But ultimately, what I want to cover is the material of this thing, right? So that's where the quality is going to be. So unlike the standard brackets that use basic steel or maybe a lower grade alloy, this one is created from a premium 6061 aluminum. So that gives you the perfect balance of strength and weight. It's highly resistant to rust, and it has an excellent hardness, so you won't deform under load, and it keeps the overall assembly lightweight. That means better longevity, better performance, and a bracket that's going to hold up to the real riding and not just look good on day one. All right, so let's start with the install. This bracket is designed for a super simple setup. So no special tools, no complicated adjustments. Like I said, if you can loosen a couple of bolts, you can do this upgrade. So all we should have to do is unscrew this bolt here, and that's going to go in this upper one, and then we have the screw that it came with. It's going to go through and go into this stock place. The one thing I do recommend with any Harley screws is Loctite. And make sure you use some Loctite. That way stuff doesn't come undone. Now, according to the website, it says there are no adjustments that need to be made. So I'll be very curious to see if we do have to do anything, because it does change the geometry of this, right? So we'll find out. Let me go ahead and get this off, and then we'll put the new bracket on. All right, so and just like that, we're off, right? So we'll go ahead and throw some Loctite on the rod there, so that way we have it there. And then I'm going to want to put some replacement screw, or screw that's going to bolt this through. So when you put this on, that part's going to go up, and your set screw is going to be towards the back. Make sure you put that Loctite on the set screw, because I promise you that thing will come out. And this just slides over on top. Now earlier I did say without any adjustments, and I take that back. I think you're gonna have to adjust it because it's got to push your stuff forward. But the thing is, it's not a complicated adjustment, right? Meaning you don't have to take it to a dealership or something like that to get you squared away. So I've got that on, and now we should just have to put this on. And what I'm thinking is, if I talk about adjustments, if it throws things forward enough, your toe shifter might be too far forward or low or whatever you want to call it. And, you know, that's where you'd have to take that, I don't know, for lack of better term or words, slack. Or maybe you could just loosen up your lever and readjust it there on the splines. I'm not sure would be the best approach. But we'll see how it does without any adjustment. So we get that on there nice and all right. So that's good and tight. And then for the set screw, I'm gonna go ahead and just bring that until that feels pretty snug. And I'll tell you what, anything small like this stuff is the death of me with my eyes going bad. My hand's not getting any smaller. All right, we're nice and snug in there. So it doesn't get much easier than that. All right, so now that it's on, I just want to kind of show you, like, so this doesn't replace the bracket that's already there, right? Because obviously, so, you know, if anybody's wondering, it doesn't replace it. You add it on top and it gives you that little bit of change there that is supposed to help with the leverage, right? So it's a pretty simple mechanism. And yeah. So I mean, like I said, it's simple, right? So if this thing is, you know, a quick win, then awesome. So let's turn the bike on and shift it through some gears here. Okay, guys, so I'll be honest. I wasn't sure how good this was going to be because, like I said, you know, I've always looked at something like this and was just like, eh. You know, seeing it and wanting to try to review it. So, you know, in all fairness, all transparency, I wanted to review this product that TigersGate made because it was something of interest. I just finally had the need for it. I wasn't sure though, and I wanted to just do a good, like, honest product review. Like, does it make sense? And it's great price, right? Like, easy. And I'm surprised. I don't know if you could tell. Like, I'm sincerely just surprised that it does work a lot better. So interesting. I know, that's wild, man. So there you go. That is the shift bracket upgrade for the 2017 Road Glide. Of course, all the touring bikes in that area, just follow the link that I posted in the description. It's super easy installation. You saw it. It's basically 2 bolts, 2 screws, whatever you want to call them, and a set screw. Make sure you use your Loctite. The shift feels great. It feels, I was kind of anticipating that it would be a slight improvement, and I actually felt a significantly different improvement. Now, look, I'm not saying it's like, oh, you know, oh my God, I've never felt anything like that. Don't get me wrong. Not saying that. What I am saying is it feels easier, right? And more than just like, I could have done without it kind of easy. It's, yeah, this actually works pretty good. So, and it makes sense. The geometry of it totally makes sense. It's leverage. So why wouldn't it work? Why wouldn't it make sense? As I had mentioned, it's the 6061 aluminum being used there. So it's strong, it's super light, and it's not going to rust out. So those are all huge positives. So if you're looking for a low price modification that's worthwhile to do to your bike, this is definitely one. So check out the description, see that link. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up. If you enjoy my content, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. And until my next video does post, I hope to see you in the win.